Hey, my name's Rebecca. I'm a professional makeup artist, and today I'm sharing a few tips and tricks with you using only vegan makeup products. So the first technique that we're going to look at today is called draping, which is using blusher to sculpt the face. So the first step is to grab your blusher brush and apply your blusher to the high points of the cheekbones instead of the apples. The second step is to blend your blusher along the cheekbones and jawline. Now drape your blusher from the eye socket up to the temple and make sure everything's blended for a beautiful, soft finish. This is a fantastic trick if you don't have an eyeshadow primer at home, or if you really want to intensify the colour that you're popping on your eye really quickly. Apply your kohl all over the lid. Soften the edges with a fluffy brush. Choose your eyeshadow and pack the colour over the top. So my final tip for today is an ombre lip, but we're going to do it with a slight difference. I'm using the B Cosmetics liquid matte lipsticks for this look because they dry completely matte, don't budge, but they're super creamy, so they blend perfectly. Great for an ombre. Start with your lip primer. Apply your darker liquid lipstick to the outer corners of your lips first. Then apply your second, lighter lipstick into the center. Use your finger to pat the two colors together before they dry. So there you have it, my 3 top tips for using vegan makeup in ways that you might not have thought of before. Leave us a comment below if you have any other vegan makeup suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe to the Superdrug Loves YouTube channel for more content like this. Bye!